Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've been looking forward to this one. This is one of my favorite cars. 1969 Camaro COPO Tribute. Now what that means, a COPO is a central office production order. The biggest motor you could get in a Camaro was a 396, but you could special order if you knew the right people and you get a 427 in a Camaro. And when you got a 427, you wanted to go fast, so typically you ordered it pretty basic. No fancy wheels, no fancy trim, a bare bones car. That's what the COPO is. Now the genuine COPOs can be $250,000, even more. This is a clone of a COPO, but it's done just like the factory would have done it, body off frame restored, and it's a fraction of the price of a real one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you will find the price tags on over 200 collector cars that we have for sale. That's where you find a description of each car and over 100 pictures top to bottom. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, body off frame restored. It's actually in a Camaro, just a subframe, but everything under the car was removed and redone. The whole front end is rebuilt. Bushings, ball joints, steering components, you name it. It's all redone. It all looks real nice. They even went as far as putting the assembly line paint markings on the front end just to make it look like the factory. The rear suspension's redone as well. Bushings, shocks. The brakes have all been redone. It does have disc in front, drum in back, new brake lines, hoses. The emergency brake cable system is all there. I think it looked new. The fuel system was all replaced, the tank, the straps, the lines, the sending unit. It has a dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Thing sounds nice. You'll hear it towards the end of this video. You look up at the motor, nice clean motor. Starter looks rebuilt. It's a turbo 400 automatic trans with a performance rebuild on it. It has a 3500 stall, which means it'll rev up before it'll kick in. And it has a reverse manual valve body. So it's an automatic, but you shift it, and you shift it the opposite way because you want to move away from reverse. You don't want to shift it into reverse when you get carried away. So it's got some tricks in the transmission. It is a 373 Posi 12-bolt rear end. No, 411, I'm sorry. The last car I did was a 373. This is a 411 Posi. This means business, this one right here. It has an aluminum cover on the rear end. I feel like I'm forgetting something underneath, but you can look at the pictures on our website. The whole thing is redone. The floors are beautiful, all black metal. The body is excellent. The gentleman that found the car for me is a longtime a restorer of cars, of classic cars. He knows this stuff. He said it's all the original body panels on this car. Doors, fenders, quarter panels, nice, clean, rust-free car. It is straight. It fits right. No problem areas, no issues. All in through here, it's all beautiful. Down here, it's all smooth. The gaps are nice. The lines are nice. Bumper, tail lights, emblems are shiny. Berger, actually, I think it's pronounced Berger. That was a high-performance Chevy dealer that was known for selling these cars. All new glass. The rear window, side glass, windshield, that's all new. New marker lights, door handles. Like I said, not a lot of trim. That's how it's supposed to be. Objects in mirror are losing. I love that. New trim around the windshield, wipers. It's a genuine cowl hood, metal cowl hood, and it's functional. There's actually flappers, and there's an air cleaner assembly, which we'll show you in a little bit. Hood fits nice and square. Paint's gorgeous. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's polished smooth. Grill, emblems, bumper, all of that's real nice. The car has 10,000 miles on it since it was restored, so it's not a brand new build, but it still really shows really well. I personally drove this one home, and it was great. It just steered nice, started, stopped, handled, did everything nice. We'll get right back to that. These are actually correct wheels. I think it's code XT. Just these steel rims sell for $1,000. They're painted to match the car. Poverty caps look new. Polyglass Goodyear reproduction tires. Correct antenna. Door jambs are real slick. All new weather strips and window seals. Oh, good, that wipes off. Yeah, really nice quality body and paint. Trunk compartments, all clean metal, spatter painted nicely. This is all painted gloss blue, new weather strip, new matte cover over the tire. It's got the jack assembly, the stickers, so a nice complete trunk compartment. The white interior really pops against the blue. It was all replaced. The door panels, armrests, window cranks, headrests, upholstery. Down on the floor, new carpet and bow tie mats. GM seat belts, front and back, all the way around, the correct ones. Has a deluxe 3-spoke steering wheel. And it has the 140 mile an hour speedometer, and it has the 8 grand tachometer, and a real rare gas gauge in the middle because there's no center console. So what we have here is a 454 bored out to a 461. It's got the correct COPO heads, the big square port heads with the matching GM aluminum intake. It has Holley carb under there. Some of the features that would come on a COPO are deep groove pulleys. That's when you rev the engine real high, the belts don't fly off. It has the pulleys. It has the open front alternator, which would be correct. Correct valve covers, exhaust manifolds, date-coated spark plug wires, and like I was mentioning earlier, a complete cowl induction system. The radiator is a 4-core radiator with a curved neck coming off of it. That's an expensive radiator. So the guy went the extra to make it just like the factory would have made it. There are 3 gauges down below the dash. Those are aftermarket, obviously. They're neatly installed. The whole dash area, the metal, the heater controls, the vents, the knobs, all that's in really nice shape. The clutch fan, the wiring, all that's excellent. The horns has a Delco battery topper with spring clamp battery cables. The wiper motor, no power steering, no power brakes. This is a muscle car, but driving it wasn't as crazy as you would think. It's a nice run around town type of car. I wouldn't go on a 300-mile vacation. Wouldn't be ideal for that. New hood insulation, but the quality is there, the looks, the color, and the horsepower, the sound, it's all there. Look how nice everything fits. They did a really nice job. Trunk closes nice too. High quality car, whoever gets this, you will be happy. Sometimes we gotta find the right car for the right guy. Anyone would be happy with this one. That's my opinion. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to talk to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, please ask. They will help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. Can also help with financing at volocars.com. you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.